We tested 5 smart app-controlled dehumidifiers. 1 surprised us, and 2 quietly eat your money. Here's what we exposed. Pick the wrong unit and you're running a machine that can't keep up with your space. That's mold creeping back, a warranty claim nobody honors, and hundreds of dollars wasted. The one criterion that separates real performers from expensive disappointments: trust the star rating backed by a real number of owners, not the advertised PPD on the box. That's exactly what we investigated. Number 5, the AirLor Storm Ultra, at just over $1,000. If you are managing water damage restoration across 2,600 square feet, this machine's 190 ppd capacity is genuinely serious muscle. The 6-year warranty signals real confidence in the build. But some buyers report units arriving non-functional, and Wi-Fi setup demands you temporarily disable your 5 GHz network. Annoying on a job site. Best for restoration pros who can troubleshoot. The next one trades raw power for something most buyers actually need more. Coming in at number 4, the AirLor Wi-Fi 70 ppd with pump at $375. It covers up to 1,000 square feet with app control and an automatic pump. Solid on paper for a crawl space or smaller basement. But here's the part that stings. Owners report failed defrost systems causing water leakage, refrigerant errors after 9 months, and 3 straight weeks of runtime with 0 humidity drop. A 3.6-star rating across 305 reviews is hard to ignore. Best for pros with backup options. Everyone else deserves something more reliable, and that's exactly where the next pick steps in. Number 3, the AirLor Smart Wi-Fi LGR in green at $823. This is the unit restoration crews reach for when a flooded basement needs serious, sustained drying power. The actual AHAM-rated capacity is 85 ppd, not the 180 advertised. That gap is real, and you need to know it going in. The honest flaw here is reliability. Some owners report refrigerant failures inside the first year. What earns it this spot is the 6-year limited warranty and SETL certification. AirLor backs this machine when it matters. Strong for commercial restoration work. But if you want the most owner-trusted pick, the next one has the numbers to prove it. Coming in at number 2, the Dreo 110 pint Smart Dehumidifier at $359.99. If your basement or large living space needs a homeowner-friendly machine that actually talks to your phone, this is the one most people reach for. It pulls up to 110 pints a day across 4,500 square feet, and the app integration is genuinely smooth. The 2-gallon tank and included drain hose give you real flexibility. Here's the catch, though. Owners report the humidity sensor reads roughly 10% higher than actual levels, and it is sensitive to movement in the room. That can throw off the auto mode logic when you need it most. Solid for everyday home use. But the pick that holds the top spot earned 4.2 stars across 240 real owners, and that is where we are headed. Number 1, the winner. The AirLor 180 ppd commercial dehumidifier with pump and app control at $823.74. When floodwater has soaked into your joists and every hour of delay means more mold, this is the machine you want running. Owners report dropping humidity from the 90s down into target range reliably. That is real drying power, backed by 338 reviews at 4.3 stars, the most tested pick in this lineup. The 6-year warranty is not a typo. No competitor here touches it. One honest flaw: the Wi-Fi app is widely criticized as unreliable, so treat it as a bonus, not a guarantee. Run this one hardwired into your workflow. For serious restoration contractors or anyone facing major water damage, this is your unit. Here is the honest breakdown. AirLor owns this category. 4 of 5 picks are theirs, and the owner data backs that up. The Dreo earns its spot for homeowners who want app control without the industrial footprint. But if you are pulling serious moisture day after day, Dreo hits its ceiling fast. The number 1 AirLor delivers the capacity, the reliability, and the trust score no other unit here can match. Here is the bottom line. Light residential moisture? Dreo is your pick. Serious daily commercial extraction? The number 1 AirLor 180 is the only call. The lower-ranked units are for professionals with backup support. Know your load. Buy accordingly. Links are in the description. Subscribe so you never overpay again. Which dehumidifier did you go with?